Excuse me, sir. Is this seat free or is someone sitting here?
Hello, young lady. No, it is free. Please sit down and enjoy the sun.
Thank you very much. My name is Clara and I am an artist.
Nice to meet you, Clara. I am Henry, a retired gardener and a dreamer.
You were a gardener? No wonder these flowers look so happy.
I didn't plant these, but I talk to them every single morning.
That is very sweet. I think plants can hear us when we are kind.
I think so too. Nature has a very big and very quiet heart.
I am here to draw. I want to capture the light of this autumn day.
The light is very special today. It is gold, like an old wedding ring.
That is a beautiful way to say it. You speak like a real poet, Henry.
I am not a poet. I just have many years of memories here.
Do you come to this park every day? I see you here often.
Yes, at 4 o'clock. This was my wife's favorite bench for 40 years.
40 years is a very long time. She must have been a special woman.
She was the sun in my sky. Her name was Rose, like the flower.
That is a lovely name. I am sorry she is not here with you.
She is here in the wind and in the colors of the leaves, Clara.
May I draw you while you sit here, Henry?
Me? I am just an old man in a gray sweater. I am boring.
No, you are not boring. Your face tells a very long and interesting story.
Okay, you can draw, but make my nose a little bit smaller, please.
I will try my best. Just stay very still and think of Rose.
That is easy for me. She is always in my mind and my heart.
The birds are coming to you. They know you are a good friend.
I have some bread in my pocket. They are my small, noisy family now.
I love the sound of their wings. It is like a soft, fast heartbeat.
Here you go, little friend. Eat well and be strong today.
My drawing is starting to look like you. I see your kind eyes now.
Take your time, Clara. The sun is not going home for 1 hour. Would you like to see a photo of Rose? I have my album here.
Oh yes, please. I love looking at old black and white photographs.
This was our first trip to the seaside in 1970.
She is beautiful. Look at her dress and her big, happy smile.
She loved the ocean. She said the water was full of secret songs.
And you look so young and handsome in your blue striped shirt, Henry.
I had a lot of hair then. Now my head is very cold.
This paper feels so thick. It is a piece of history.
Photos are funny things. The people change, but the moment stays forever.
That is why I paint. I want to keep the beautiful moments safe forever.
Here is another photo. This was our small house with the big garden.
Look at all those roses. Did you plant all of them for her?
Yes, 100 roses. I worked in the garden until the stars came out.
I can almost smell them through the photo. They look very red and soft.
She spent every afternoon there. She read books and drank her lemon tea.
It sounds like a perfect life. Simple, quiet, and full of real love.
It was. We did not have much money, but we had each other.
Money is not important when you have a beautiful garden and a friend.
You are a very wise young woman, Clara. You understand the big things.
I learn from people like you. Life is about stories, not about things.
My stories are old now, like these dusty yellow pages.
Old stories are the best. They have more heart and more truth in them.
Look, a small squirrel is looking at your tablet. Is he an artist too?
Maybe he wants to see if I am using the right brown color.
Give him a piece of my apple. He is very hungry and very brave.
There you go, little guy. Now let me finish the portrait.
Are you using digital colors, or is it magic inside that flat glass?
It is a digital pen. I can choose any color from the whole rainbow.
Technology is amazing. In my day, we only had pencils and charcoal.
Pencils are great too, but this is faster for catching the changing light. I am finished, Henry. Please tell me what you think.
Oh my. This is incredible, Clara.
Do you like it? I added Rose in the background, near the flowers.
You drew her perfectly. She looks like a soft dream.
I wanted to show that she is always with you on this bench.
I have no words. My heart is very full and a little bit heavy.
Don't be sad, Henry. It is a portrait of a very beautiful life.
These are happy tears, Clara. I feel very seen today.
I can send this to your phone, then you can see it every day.
I don't have a smartphone. I only have this old brick phone.
That's okay. I will print it and bring it to you tomorrow.
You would do that for me? But paper and ink are very expensive.
For a friend, it is free. You gave me a great story today.
A story is just words. Your art is something I can touch and see.
Words are powerful too. Your words helped me draw the real Henry.
How can I thank you? I have nothing to give but this apple.
This apple is perfect. It is the best payment in the world.
It is a very sweet apple from the local farmer's market.
Crunch. You are right. It is very fresh and very delicious.
I'm glad you like it. I buy 2 every day. One for me and one for...
One for a new friend? I am very happy to be that friend.
Me too, Clara. Young people usually don't talk to old gardeners.
Then they are missing a lot of magic. You have a golden soul, Henry.
And you have golden hands. Never stop painting. The world needs color.
I won't stop. Painting is how I talk to the world when I am shy.
You are not shy with me. You are like a bright bird in the park.
The sun is almost gone. The sky is turning deep purple.
Yes, it's time for me to go home and make some warm tea.
I have to go to my studio and wash my brushes. They are very dirty.
I will be here tomorrow at 4. Will I see you again, Clara?
Good afternoon, Henry. I have a surprise for you.
Hello, Clara. You are early today. The sun is still very high.
I couldn't wait. Look at this big white envelope in my hand.
It is very heavy. Is it the portrait from yesterday?
Open it slowly. I used a very special thick paper for the print.
Oh, in the daylight, the colors are even better.
I put it in a small wooden frame. It is made of real oak wood.
It is beautiful. I will put this on my table, next to my bed.
Now Rose can smile at you every morning when you wake up.
Thank you, Clara. This is the best gift of my life.
You are very welcome. I am happy that it makes you smile.
I have something for you too. It is very old and a bit dusty.
What is inside? Is it another secret?
It is my old set of professional drawing pencils from the 1960s.
Henry, these are amazing. They are pure charcoal.
I tried to draw roses for Rose, but I was not very good at it.
These are very high quality. I can feel the history in the wood.
They need a young artist. They were waiting for someone like you.
I will use them to draw the trees in this park. They will be perfect.
The trees have many stories too. They see everything in this city.
I will call my new collection Henry's Park. Do you like the name?
I love it. I am a famous man now.
You were always famous to the birds and the roses, Henry.
That is enough for me. I don't need a big statue in the square.
A portrait in a bedroom is better than a statue in the street.
You are right. A portrait is full of love. A statue is just cold stone.
Let's sit for a moment. The air is very fresh after the rain.
I love the smell of wet earth. It means the plants are drinking.
I will start a new sketch right now. Look at that cloud.
It looks like a giant white cat sleeping in the blue sky.
Henry, why are you always so happy? Life is very difficult sometimes.
Life is like a garden, Clara. There are many weeds.
Weeds? You mean the bad things that happen to us every day?
Yes, but if you only look at the weeds, you don't see the flowers.
That is true. I worry a lot about my work and my future.
Don't worry about tomorrow. Tomorrow is not here yet.
But I need to pay my bills. I need to be a successful artist.
You are already successful. You make people happy with your art.
Thank you. But sometimes I feel very small in this big city.
The city is big, but your heart is bigger. That is what matters.
I am learning so much from you. You are like my personal philosopher.
I just have 90 years of mistakes and 5 years of wisdom.
90 years? You look much younger than 90, Henry.
It is because I walk every day and I drink a lot of water.
I should walk more. I spend too much time in my dark studio.
Nature is the best studio. The ceiling is a sky and the floor is grass.
And the light is always changing. It is never boring here.
Look at the leaves. They are yellow now, but soon they will fall.
Is that sad for you when the park becomes empty and brown?
No, because the trees are resting. They need to sleep to grow again.
So winter is just a long sleep before the big spring party?
Exactly. Everything has a season. Even our sadness has a season.
My sadness is finishing now. I feel very light and very free.
That is the power of a good conversation and a little bit of sun.
I want to paint the winter park too, with white snow on the bench.
I will bring my warm boots and my big blue coat. I will be here.
We can drink hot chocolate from a thermos. It will be very cozy.
I like chocolate, but with a little bit of cinnamon, please.
1 hot chocolate with cinnamon for the wise gardener.
And 1 for the memory artist who draws with light.
It is 5 o'clock. The park is getting quiet.
The birds are going to their nests. They are finished for the day.
I am finished too. I have 5 new sketches in my album.
I am going to walk slowly to my small apartment on the corner.
Did you meet my new friend, Henry? Life is full of beautiful stories if you stop and listen to people. You don't need a lot of money to be happy. You just need a park bench. Repeat after me. Every person has a very special story. Great. Now say, kindness is the most beautiful color in the world.
And don't forget to talk to the flowers. Say it with me. I am happy to be here in this moment. Excellent. Your English is as bright as a sunny morning.
I am helping Henry to stand up. His legs are a bit stiff today.
Thank you, Clara. My old bones like a little help.
I will walk with you to the gate. I want to see the flowers one last time.
Look at those daisies. They are closing their petals for the night.
Goodbye, daisies. Sleep well and see you tomorrow.
I am holding my new portrait very carefully. It is my treasure.
I am very happy I decided to sit on this bench yesterday.
It was a lucky moment for both of us. A moment of real magic.
Goodbye, Henry. See you tomorrow at 4 o'clock.